Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint infographic in just a few minutes. So let's start. Plus you can buy this template from the Patreon link in the description below. So the first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide, change the background to black. Then we're going to insert a circle, increase the size and width both. Then we're going to give it this black color, remove its outline, give it some increased transparency. Then we're going to insert another smaller circle. And what we're going to do is change its color. Here we go. The next thing we have to do is just keep on duplicating it like this. Here we go. Then we're just going to make enough space between them. Here we go. Perfect. Then let's just change the colors. The next thing you have to do is send them to the back and give them this glue color, the white one on the second number. Then we're going to group them and put them into middle and center, ungroup them again, and we're going to insert our text box. Whatever the text you want to use, just put it into the circle. This is going to be a big header, so make sure that you use a prominent font. Now what we're going to do is increase the text size and change the colors into this stuff. Here we go. The next thing we have to do is just adjust them. Well, and the next thing we have to do is insert this line. Here we go. Let's just change these colors. Now what we're going to do is put this outline in the back, and we're going to group them and duplicate them. One by one, we're going to make more copies of it. Here we go. So yeah, let's send them to the back as well, one by one. The next thing you have to do is just insert your icons. Here we go. Let's just change their colors. Make sure the colors are white and that they are visible on those circles. Then we can adjust them one by one. Now it's time for the text box. Put your title text box as well as your other text box. Decrease the sizes. Change the color to white as well. Let's send them right here. We're gonna give them some line spacing, and then here we go. Duplicate them again. We'll make 3 copies, duplicate these. We're gonna give them the right side alignment, align them, then put them. Now let's put them next to the left-sided circles. Here we go. So yeah, this is the final result. If you want to buy this template only for $3, you can just click on the Patreon link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe.